Unlocking Manuka Honey's secret health powers. Discover the secret superfood that's buzzing in the health world, Manuka Honey. Celebrated for its unique properties, this golden nectar has taken the wellness community by storm, offering a multitude of health benefits that are truly remarkable. Manuka honey, a special type of honey native to New Zealand, is produced by bees that pollinate the native Manuka bush. This honey stands out for its distinct origin and exceptional composition, making it a sought-after addition to healthy lifestyles. Packed with powerful natural antibacterial agents, Manuka honey boosts your immune system like no other. Its unique components work synergistically to fend off harmful bacteria, ensuring your body stays resilient against infections and illnesses, naturally supporting your well-being. This extraordinary honey accelerates the healing process of cuts and burns, promoting faster recovery. Its potent antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties ensure wounds remain clean, reducing the risk of infection and scarring, while soothing the affected area with its gentle touch. Manuka honey is a soothing remedy for digestive issues, aiding in the improvement of gut health. Its natural enzymes and antibacterial properties help balance the digestive system, providing relief from discomfort and supporting a healthy gut environment for optimal digestion. Manuka honey, known for its remarkable anti-inflammatory properties, can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. By soothing irritated tissues, it may alleviate symptoms associated with chronic inflammation, offering natural relief and promoting overall wellness without the side effects of synthetic medications. Incorporating Manuka honey into your oral hygiene routine can significantly improve oral health. Its antibacterial properties combat harmful bacteria, reducing plaque buildup and preventing gingivitis. A spoonful daily or a natural mouth rinse can enhance your smile's health and freshness. For those dealing with acne or dry skin, Manuka honey offers a natural solution. Its moisturizing and antibacterial qualities help clear pores, reduce redness, and hydrate the skin, leaving it clear and revitalized with a radiant, healthy glow. Sore throats and persistent coughs find a soothing remedy in Manuka honey. Its thick, viscous texture coats the throat, alleviating irritation and reducing cough frequency. A spoonful in warm tea can provide quick and comforting relief during cold seasons. Beyond its many health benefits, Manuka honey serves as a natural energy booster. Its natural sugars provide a quick, sustained energy release, making it an excellent addition to pre-workout snacks or a midday pick-me-up to keep you energized. Manuka honey is rich in antioxidants, which play a crucial role in combating free radicals in the body. These antioxidants help protect cells from damage, supporting overall health and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases over time. Regular consumption of Manuka honey may help alleviate allergy symptoms. Its natural properties can reduce sensitivity to common allergens, providing relief during allergy seasons. Incorporating this honey into your diet could lead to a noticeable decrease in sneezing and congestion. Taking Manuka honey before bed may promote better sleep quality. Its soothing properties help relax the body, potentially reducing nighttime disturbances. This natural remedy can be a simple addition to your nightly routine for a restful sleep. Manuka honey supports heart health by potentially maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. Its beneficial compounds can aid in balancing cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease. Including it in your diet may contribute to long-term cardiovascular wellness and vitality. Enhancing your body's natural defenses, Manuka honey boosts immune function. Its unique properties help strengthen the immune system, making it more effective in fighting off infections. Regular intake can lead to improved resilience against common illnesses and seasonal ailments. Manuka honey is gaining recognition for its potential in managing skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Its natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help soothe irritation, reduce redness, and promote healing, offering a gentle alternative to traditional treatments. Incorporating Manuka honey as a natural sweetener is an excellent way to reduce refined sugar intake. Its rich, unique flavor enhances recipes while providing additional health benefits, making it a versatile and healthier choice for sweetening foods and beverages. Manuka honey can support weight management when included in a balanced diet. Its natural sugars provide energy without the spikes associated with processed sugars, helping to curb cravings and promote sustained energy throughout the day. The natural compounds in Manuka honey have been linked to improved mental clarity and focus. By providing a steady release of energy, it can help keep your mind sharp and enhance cognitive function, making it a beneficial addition to your daily routine. Manuka honey's rich nutrient profile supports bone health by aiding in the absorption of essential minerals. Regular consumption may contribute to maintaining strong bones, making it a valuable addition to a diet focused on overall wellness and longevity. Manuka honey acts as a natural prebiotic, fostering the growth of healthy gut bacteria. This promotes better digestion and nutrient absorption, leading to an overall healthier gut environment. Its regular consumption can contribute to improved digestive health and increased well-being. The soothing properties of Manuka honey can alleviate sinus infections by reducing inflammation and congestion. Its natural antibacterial action helps fight the underlying cause of sinus issues, offering a gentle and effective way to breathe easier and feel better. Incorporating Manuka honey into your hair care routine can enhance hair health. Its nourishing and moisturizing qualities improve texture and shine, making hair look vibrant and feel silky. This natural treatment also strengthens hair, reducing breakage and promoting growth. Manuka honey's soothing effects extend to easing heartburn symptoms. By coating the esophagus, it helps to neutralize stomach acids, providing relief from discomfort. This natural remedy offers a gentle and effective way to manage occasional heartburn and enhance digestive comfort. Regular consumption of Manuka honey can boost mood naturally. Its nutrients and antioxidants may help reduce stress levels and promote a sense of calm. This natural sweetener is a delightful way to enhance emotional well-being and maintain a positive outlook. Manuka honey is renowned for its natural detoxifying properties, making it an excellent addition to any wellness routine. Its unique composition helps eliminate toxins and impurities, promoting a cleaner, healthier body. Regular consumption can support overall vitality and well-being. Supporting liver health is another remarkable benefit of Manuka honey. Rich in antioxidants, it helps protect the liver from oxidative stress and damage. Its natural compounds aid in detoxifying the liver, ensuring it functions efficiently and effectively. The honey's potent antibacterial properties make it highly effective against skin infections. Its application can help soothe and heal various skin issues, promoting faster recovery. Manuka honey's gentle yet powerful nature makes it ideal for sensitive skin types. A versatile ingredient, Manuka honey can be used in countless culinary and beauty applications. Its rich flavor enhances dishes, while its nourishing properties benefit skincare routines. From face masks to salad dressings, its uses are as diverse as its benefits. 6 health benefits of Manuka honey, based on science known for antibacterial properties, supports wound healing and immune health. 1. Aids wound healing. Since ancient times, honey has been used to treat wounds, burns, sores, and boils. 2. May promote oral health. Studies have shown Manuka honey attacks harmful oral bacteria associated with plaque formation, gum inflammation, and tooth decay. 3. May help calm a cough. Manuka honey may relieve coughs due to upper respiratory tract infections, URIs. URIs are common infections trusted source caused by bacteria or viruses. They include the common cold, acute bronchitis, influenza, and respiratory distress syndromes. 4. May help prevent gastric ulcers. Stomach ulcers are one of the most common conditions affecting humans. These sores form on the stomach lining, causing stomach pain, nausea, and bloating. 5. May improve digestive symptoms. Inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, is an inflammatory disease of the gastrointestinal tract. IBDs, such as ulcerative colitis and Crohn's, can lead to symptoms like diarrhea, abdominal pain, nausea, and vomiting. 6. May help treat symptoms of cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis is an inherited disorder that damages the lungs and can also affect the digestive system and other organs. It affects the cells that produce mucus, causing mucus to be abnormally thick and sticky. Incorporating Manuka honey into daily life can lead to a healthier lifestyle. Its myriad benefits, from detoxification to skin health, make it a powerful ally in wellness. Embrace this natural wonder and experience its transformative effects firsthand. Like, share, subscribe, share, and like for more informative videos.